Alright, good morning. Okay, I got a project I'm going to work on today. I might transplant one of my fig trees, because I got two fig trees that are kind of not looking too good. And I think it's because they're probably root bound. This is my black Italian fig. See how it's getting some yellow leaves and all. I mean, it's kind of like not looking good. And then this one here, I know this has a lot less, a smaller pot that it's growing in, and this grows fast. This one here, this is an unwa, and I know that's what's going on with this one for sure. And so I was thinking about transplanting these out in the front. I mean, I don't have no other place to put it. I was going to eliminate this goji berry because I really haven't had any success in getting berries, and then this thing pretty much dropped all its leaves. I thought it died, and all of a sudden it's putting out brand new leaves. So I'm leaving it because I think maybe it's just this thing really functions in really hot weather. So we get, as the weather's getting warmer here, this is starting to look better. So I'm leaving it. We're gonna see if I get berries. It's the first year putting it in full sun. I had them in my front yard, not in full sun, for a couple of years, and got just very few berries, not many at all. But I have in the front here, I have two pomegranate trees, one there, one in the front over there, and this one's got some flowers on it. A couple of places it's getting flowers on it, and I need to get up here and trim the branch of that tree. My neighbor's yard's kind of getting on it. I don't want it on it. I like the fact that they're under the trees, because I figured out growing them in the past, they do better underneath the trees. I have another one back here I need to check on, and it's in the trees. And it's back there. I got to go around another way to get to it. There it is right there. It's green, no flowers. It's not getting any sun back here. That might be something I need to dig up and transplant. Maybe I can put that in that pot in the back. See if I can be successful with digging it up, because I mean, I ought to try at least, because it ain't going to do anything back there. It's getting no sun at all. So anyway, I'm thinking right over here where these other two are, maybe planting, because I had bananas here and some bananas in between these two, but I wound up digging them up. And I could probably plant my fig trees there in those two spots, and it might be what I'm gonna do. At least that one for sure, the unwa, needs to be transplanted, and I need to probably do that as soon as I can. Alright, well guys, I was videoing transplanting this fig tree, and apparently I didn't hit record on my camera, and I came over here, it was a black screen. I thought the battery died, but I apparently didn't press record. But here it is here. You can see it's got some yellow leaves, but it was planted in this thing, which is kind of shallow, and that tree is growing kind of fast. It's a fast growing fig tree. It's an unwa, and so I figured it was root bound, so I got the water running, just getting the ground saturated some, and I want to put some fertilizer in it too, because even though I just transplanted it, I don't think that it's going to go into a shock, because I know you didn't see it on the video, but I just kind of tapped around the sides of that pot grabbed the tree and pulled the whole tree out. So I didn't do anything with the roots on the fig tree. It just all came out in one piece. So but now there's ground for it to start growing and reaching out, and I think it's going to be okay. I mean, I'm not 100% sure, but I think that was the problem, so I wanted to move it over here. Now I have another fig tree that's kind of doing the same thing. Now it's in a little bigger pot, but so that's what makes me not 100% sure. There could be something else going on. Now my other tree is not as yellow as this one, but the leaves are drooping, so I'm thinking about putting that one right here in this spot. I believe that's what I'm going to do. Now these things I got down in the ground here, they're that's pipe for culverts, to put run drainage in the streets and all. And so when I see pieces laying around in the trash, or when the parish works and they adding, because we got ditches around here, and then from time to time they fill in the ditches, and so they'll have pieces left. So I get them and I cut them, and I use them for borders, and I plant mainly for my trees. That way when I weed eat, I'm not hitting on my tree. So anyway, let me go get that other fig tree. Okay, well, I'm gonna let that run a little bit and saturate the ground. I have some space to fill in, but I want to get some a lot of this is sand that came out of there. I want to put some good soil in there, so I'm gonna go get some. I have some. I'm gonna go get it right now and add it to the sides of this. All right, guys, there we go, man. We have two fig trees that I transplanted in here because they didn't look like they were doing too good in the pots anymore. I have 3 more in the backyard in pots. They look fine. They're not as big as these. That's probably why. They're smaller trees. But there they are. One there and one there. So we'll keep an eye on them. I see they're dropping leaves, but then I see new growth coming out on them too. So, you know, our weather's been a little messed up around here the last couple of years. And I noticed things are acting funny because of it, you know. So anyway, I'm going to keep an eye on it. We'll see if that was the problem, if it helped. If it did, then thank God we got it solved. If it's not, then I really don't know what the problem was. So Alright guys, so that's going to wrap it up for this video. Just transplanting 2 fig trees. And on other videos, I'll keep you updated on what's going on, okay? Y'all be blessed. See you on the next video. Alright? Bye.